Hey everybody, Jeff Joyner here. Super excited to be coming to you live from Leicester, Massachusetts, from the Maple Hill Disc Golf Course, the #1 rated disc golf course in America. The three top courses in the world, this is fourth in the world. The top three are in Norway, Sweden, and Finland. And so this is a bucket list course if you are a disc golfer. This is where they have pro tournaments. And super excited. I had a speaking event today down in Hartford, Connecticut area. Zipped up here when I was done, and probably got about 2 hours before sunset to enjoy this epic course. Hopefully I'll give you a little footage here. Pretty cool warm-up area here. This is the bleachers. I don't know where all my fans are. Hole 1, 853 feet. I'm actually going to play the shorter red tees, but this is where pros throw from. Across the water to the basket. It's awesome. Pretty good start. So this course is built around an active Christmas tree farm. And so they have Christmas trees growing here. I don't know how often they grow before they harvest them, but it makes for a pretty cool atmosphere. Nice solid bridge. Let's see where I ended up. Not too bad for my first tee shot. First time I've thrown it weeks. Grab my trusty Nomad putter and I'll throw that in there for a birdie. All right. Hole 2, 256. Up through those trees. Out of bounds. Wall up. All right, hole 2, a good place for an MVP wave into the wind. Par. All right, hole 3, 259. Through the trees around to the right. Good time for my lighter wave. Let's see if I can get around this corner. I'm filming some of these. I've only got one hole-in-one. My whole life is like 25 years ago. But on the off chance that I got a hole-in-one on America's #1 disc golf course, I definitely want to be filming if I can. That's not too bad. That's makeable. Nice. Nice bird. That might have been my best shot of the day with my brand new Castaplast Fruit that I bought here. Glad I didn't throw it in the water, because that's pretty close to the water. Nice. Birdie. Looks like it's straight ahead here. Par 3, 236. Oh, there it is. Oh. Parked. All right. Here's the blue tee on hole 8. Throws out over the water. All right, this might be my best drive of the day. Birdie on 8. All right, 161, hole 9. Up this hill, but blind, so throw it up here and see how it lands. I wish I'd have came up here and looked because that's pretty short. All right, par on 9. A lot of elevation here, a lot of up and down. Probably can't tell that in the video, but it's fairly steep. Yeah. All right, 10 blue tees, 535, way uphill. Hole 10, that's a cool hole, way uphill. Oh, all right, not a bad lead, but I did slip on a rock climbing up that hill, leaving a little bit of my skin here in Massachusetts, but good par. All right, this is one of the famous holes out here that you see when this is on TV on ESPN 8 de Ocho. Hole 11, 600 feet across and over Christmas tree farm. I was gonna play that, but the sun's going down. I'm running low on time. So I'm gonna play the red tee, which I've been playing. And this heads out over a smaller field. Still a pretty epic looking shot. A much more manageable 272. Get through. All right, birdie on 11. All right, 12th hole. I overshot the basket on 12. Cool bridge here. Oh no. This is not the one you want to overshoot. Oh, I see me down there. Dang. Saved par. All right, decent drive on 14. Let's put it in there. Oh, close. All right, another birdie. Best drive of the day, 17. Beautifully landscaped. Hole number 18. Oh. All right, to finish, 8 under with a par on 18. That does it for me at Mapel Hill Disc Golf Course. I thought that was 8 under. Actually, it was 9 under. Finished with a 9 under 40 on the red tees, which is the shortest of the layouts here. And there's, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different layouts. I would love to come back and play some of the longer ones. And so the one that I just played, the red tees, 4,100 feet. The white tees are 5,000. The blue tees are 6,500. The diamonds are 71.51. The golds are 88.64. So about double of what I just threw. And so awesome course. Number 1 disc golf course in the country. Number 4 in the world. Another epic opportunity as I am on my summer tour. And so that's it for Massachusetts and Connecticut. Flying out tomorrow to Chicago and then on to Seattle. So hopefully enjoyed that video. I'm actually a little worn off from that. So I'm going to check into my hotel before I fly out early in the morning. Catch you guys next time.